If you are watching this and you are working with what you have, keep going. Your tools don't define your potential. Hello. This laptop has been with me since 2015, and today it's finally time to move on. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video isn't just an unboxing, it is a story. A story about growth, patience, and knowing when it's time for a new chapter. This is my Lenovo ThinkPad. I got it back in 2015. It's been with me through school, learning new skills, late nights, moments where I didn't even know what I was working towards yet. It wasn't the fastest, it wasn't the prettiest, but it showed up every single day. And so did I. This laptop taught me something. You don't need perfect tools to begin. You just need consistency. Of course, there were moments it struggles. This laptop. Waiting for things to load up, working around limitations. But looking back, those limitations didn't stop me. They shaped me. I have so much memories with this laptop. I've done so much with this laptop. This laptop has taken me to places. I've done projects that without this laptop coming through for me, I think I couldn't even be speaking the memories and giving the journey that I've taken if it were not for this machine. This machine has been with me for the longest. Since 2015 to 2025. I think that is almost, or it is 10 years. I have been in so many situations. If it were not for this laptop coming through, even this channel wouldn't be where it is today. So much I've done with this laptop, and I'm so grateful. And that I hold this laptop so dear to my life. And so anything that has a beginning, at sometimes it has to be put to rest. And so now, this is not the end of the chapter, but just the beginning. As I put it into sleep, as I close it down, the story is not ending with this laptop being closed down, but the story begins, or rather a new beginning, a new chapter is being written today by revealing a new one. This is the closing of the previous chapter. Look at the thickness of this machine. Look at the thickness. This is something you can talk and be with. Ultra portable AI powerhouse. Oh, oops. This is it. And I want to take the honor. I want to take the honor of us being the very first person. Of course, the manufacturers were the first person, but away from the manufacturer and everybody else, I want to take the honor of being the first person in Kenya, to power on specifically this machine. Maybe, yeah. So, with me, come and join me to put on or power on this great machine. Let us place it here and let us take the honor. Feels so good, feels so good. This is it. Just look at how it is. Very slim, very portable. Look at the keys. They are very different if you noticed from the other machine, the ThinkPad. And this is so slim, so not heavy, so light. And yeah, I can't express just how right I'm feeling about owning this. And with this, we are going to do so much. First thing I noticed was how light it feels. It really feels light, and it is light. It's clean, very clean, and it is modern, very modern. But how it is designed, it is what a creative person needs or should have. And honestly, it feels so motivating. It feels so motivating having this machine, because just like I started telling you, I've had the other machine for 10 years. That's my honest opinion. It feels nice having this because of the nature of the work that is going to be done. Graphics, editing videos, and doing all those things. It also makes me feel excited just to sit down and create good and quality videos. It gives me the exact color that I want to see even after editing the video. So if you can check the keyboard comparison between this ASUS or ASUS with the Lenovo ThinkPad, this is way much can I say, like, it is attracting to the eye. It has, of course, they are also detailed, but this just feels good. Yeah. The keypads are somehow very can I say, they are modern. Yeah, that's what I can say, and that they are, at least they are small. This ThinkPad represents when I started my journey. This ZenBook represents where I am going. Just the two comparisons. This is where I started, this is where I am going. If you are watching this and you are working with what you have, keep going. Your tools don't define your potential. But when you grow, don't be afraid to honor that growth.